Good morning, Ronald Peasant here. My name is Rajnikar from Class 10E, and today I'll be presenting my project known as FarmGuard, Smart Drone Surveillance for Crop Protection under the subcategory AI-driven crop health management, along with my partner Abdul Afan and my mentor Dr. Barkalan. Farm statement. In today's agricultural setting, we have multiple intrusive invasive species such as wild boars and elephants that come onto the field and damage the crops. This results into 20 to 30% damage for the farmer and results into lots of loss. And for this, we've made an innovative solution known as FarmGuard. So FarmGuard consists of an autonomous drone system along with 4 webcams on either sides of the perimeter that has the YOLO model known as the YOLO V8X model that will identify the animals that are present in the field, triangulate their position, and send the command to the drone to fly autonomously from the base station to the field and find and locate the animal and use multiple means of counter measures. Suppose like smart arrows, you can use lights and also sensors. And this allows the invasive species that have entered into the field to not get hurt by traditional methods like electric fence. So this scares them away and deters them away. So how it actually works. So the drone of course goes through multiple stages like drone patrolling, you have data detection, alert and response, etc. Now let me show you the video of the YOLO model and the drone. Okay, so right now I'm running the YOLO V8X object detection model. So it's straight on the Coco library. And right now you can see the animal detections. We have different pictures of elephants. And you can see the prediction model here. So this is streaming the live webcam footage. So you can see the accuracy of each of the elephants. And as I scroll to different models. Now the second species. This is the second species. You can see different types and varieties of bear. And they all predict them quite nicely. This is the third species. So it can detect more than one animal at the same time.